Hello, this is Nana Paula J. I'm getting ready to assemble a barbecue grill. Now this is first time for me to do it, and I'm gonna let you see it. This is how it look. It's supposed to look like that. So let me open it up and see what all I need. Put it down on the floor. It's pretty heavy. Okay, let's see what we have here. They have it right there. We have this pod. Put it to the side. And then we got all the stuff that we need in this box. Let's open it up and see. Okay. Now this is the first time I'm assembling. I'm very good in assembling stuff, so I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do with this barbecue grill. Oh, okay, this all the stuff that go in there. Oh, okay, let's see what we have here. Let's have the handle to it. Got this part. Okay, we have the tires that go on the grill. The timer. And all this other stuff. It don't seem like it's gonna be hard, but let's see. And this is the top part. Let's open it up and see how it look. Yep, this would be the first time me assembling a grill of this kind. I assembled the one that is round grill, but I never assembled this type of grill. I guess this go on top of the grill. Then I'm gonna put this in the box. Put this to the side. Okay, let's see what we have here. We have the direction here. Oh, it's pretty big. Yes, this part goes on the grill. Must be the handle. Let's see. It don't seem like it's gonna be that hard. Another part of it. It'll take probably about an hour to do this, or more. I take it back, or more. Okay, this must be the part where you put the meat on. Here you go. See. Okay, this is the other part of it. Got a lot of parts to this. Okay, this must be the, let's see. Got the scissors. I'm getting ready for Easter so I can grill some food on the grill. So I decided to buy another grill. I did want them to give me the display, but they said they weren't able to. That means, well, the display I already assembled. They would give it to me if they was, you know, the only one in stock. Oh, okay. We got this part right here. Find out what this go to. It don't seem like have a lot of screws in it. Ooh, this must be the top part. This is kind of heavy. Oh, let's see how this look. Oh, okay. It's the other part of it. This must be the I said the top part. Okay, put this to the side. And this must be the bottom. This how it look. Okay, this is pretty big. And the other part is in there, so I will be back and show you how I will put this together. It's supposed to look like this now. Let's see if I'm going to put it together right. It's supposed to look like this. Make sure you subscribe and click like and see how I do assembling this barbecue pit. See you later. This is Nanny Paula J getting ready to assemble her barbecue pit. Make sure you subscribe, click like, and share. Bye.